Hello children, let us discuss some questions from the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. You have heard my two lectures on this short poem, so I think you have understood the theme. So it will be easier for you now to understand the answers of these questions. First of all, before starting question answer, in your book it is written that we have to compare one more quotation of Robert Frost, which I have written here. Always, always, a larger significance, a little thing touches a larger thing. Again, in two lines, he has written some important uh, quotation. Is some important thing he wants to convey, that nothing is nothing should be regarded as a little thing, because even little things can touch a larger thing. So it even the small things may have larger significance. What is dust of snow? What is dust of snow? So small particles of snow. The small particles of snow is called here dust of snow. It is also called snowflakes. So what is dust of snow? Small particles of snow are dust of snow. What does the poet say has changed his mood? A small incident, falling of snow, falling of snowflakes on him, caused by a crow. When a crow sat on the branch, snow fell on him. Particles of snow fell on him, and this incident made his mood. He felt very good after this incident, and this incident changed his mood. Second question: how does Frost present nature in this poem? The poet wants to say that nature has healing power. Nature has that kind of power which can change your mood. A beautiful scene, a beautiful incident can make you happy. The following questions may help you to think of an answer. What are the birds that are usually named in poems? Generally nightingale, sparrow, sometimes peacock. These are beautiful birds, beautiful voice, and many poets have written poems on nightingale and some other beautiful birds like sparrow and peacock, but not on crow. Only Robert Frost can dare to write a poem on crow. Do you think a crow is often mentioned in poems? No, only Robert Frost mentions this, and with the intention that nothing is bad, nobody is bad, nothing is bad. It depends on your mood. What images come to your mind when you think of a crow? Generally, crow sound is not sweet to our ears, but poet wants to say that even a crow can make your day happy, as it happened in this poem. Thank you. That's all.